won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's
Good morning. Are we waking up? You ready? You ready to get out of there? Oh. Are you gonna stretch? Hi, puppy. Hi. Oh, okay, let's go. Let's go. You ready? It's a little messy over here. I know you're hungry. I know you're hungry. I know. You're so beautiful. Is that my beautiful guy? You want to tell your friends you just ate? Oh my goodness. You just put on a new outfit. And now we're going to do your nails. I know you don't like it, but how'd you get that scratch, huh? Is that from your nails? That's not good. I know. So we're going to do nails, okay? Don't be mad. Okay? Should we tell everyone what happened at the changing station? Or should we keep that between us? I've only ever filed his nails because I'm so afraid of anything else. And this really doesn't do a whole lot. Hi guys, welcome to another day in the life video. I know you love these style vlogs. And I love filming these for the memories one day, but Forrest is down for his second nap of the day. He's making some noises, so I don't know how long this one's going to last. The second nap is typically the shortest nap for him, and I'm starving, so I'm going to find something to eat. We have a lot of stuff from Costco I showed you in my last video. And I have been wanting to try this ever since I put it in the fridge. I've been thinking about this every day. I've never had it, but it looks really good, so I'm going to have that. I'm going to add in one of these too. I love Indian food, and I thought this would be like really fast and easy to have at home because honestly, it's so hard to eat anything when you're taking care of a baby, so I'm going to microwave this really quick. I only made half that bag because there's a lot in it. It's definitely not the prettiest thing in the world, but so satisfying. He's gonna wake up, he's not going to last. And then eventually, this is on my list among a lot of other things I'll tell you about as soon as I have a chance. Somebody is not sleeping, so I'm going to go get Forrest. He hasn't been crying the whole time I was pumping. He was making noises, and I don't think he's going to fall asleep, so. Excuse all the dishes in the sink if you can tell. I'm taking care of that next, but I'm just taking care of some milk I pumped, and Forrest was asleep. When I got in there, he was like literally on the verge, so I just waited, and now he's out. That was the best case scenario. And he's entering his second leap, or it's either starting right now or it's starting sometime this week. He's 7 weeks, so I think it's like 7.5 weeks is when the second leap starts. And I'm nervous because the first leap was a traumatizing experience for all of us. I feel like I've been saying that word so much since I've become a mom, but there are some stressful times, and he was just like really miserable for a couple days. We thought he had colic, and we almost called his doctor, but then after I think like 3 or 4 days he was fine, but he was just like so fussy and just like so unhappy at almost all times, especially like it was for a few hours in the morning, a few hours at night, and then at like the real nighttime he was fine, and in the middle of the day he was fine, but it was not good. So I don't know, babies, I don't know if every time they have a leap, if it's a fussy time for them. I guess you guys can let me know. I have so many moms out there, so let me know if a leap is always a fussy time or if it's sometimes okay. I'm just like a little nervous for this next one. His first sleep wasn't the first time that I cried out of like stress or frustration. I've been fine, but I mean, it was like a lot. I feel like anybody would cry. 4 ounces. I got these from the hospital and I still use them for my milk. I'm not going to do it, but I might do it. I don't know. I feel like if I do it, I will regret it, but I've been thinking about a chop on my hair because it's literally always in the way. I never understood why so many moms, as soon as they have a baby, they cut their hair off, and now I totally get it because it's always up since it's always in the way. And there are 2 things I really want to get done today. I want to wash my makeup brushes. I have a pimple here and a pimple here, and I think it's because I have not washed my makeup brushes in a while. I don't even know if I've washed them since Forrest has been born, and he's 7 weeks. So that's gross. And then I don't always use the same ones, but still. And then the workout area downstairs, I want to get that straightened up. There's like stuff everywhere from the holiday decorations I brought upstairs. So I want to like have the floors down there really clean and wipe everything off and have it ready to go, because hopefully that will be like a motivator for me to actually use it. I really want to start working out again. I obviously am at the point where I can work out again, and I feel like I need it. I feel like I really, really need it. So maybe today I will work out. I mean, probably not, but I might. I was a little bit loud when I was taking care of things, and I thought I woke him up. He was making his noises, a lot of grunting, which is normal, but it's so weird. So now I'm going to take care of the living room. I'm going to set up tummy time. I'm also going to set up for our next feed. I'll set up some work stuff, see if he lets me work. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't while he's eating. And then depending on if he's still sleeping after that, I'll get downstairs and take care of things down there. But I never know until I get there. Again, it's like a shorter nap right now, or it almost always is a shorter nap. It's been going, let me see how long he's been asleep. Oh, actually, I restarted it, didn't I? Oh, 30 minutes, so I don't think I restarted it. Okay, yeah, so that's a pretty good nap for him right now. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and get to this because I want to get some things done right now while I can. But I just remember there's been a lot of questions about the taking care of babies class I took, and if I thought it was good. I do like it, honestly. I felt like it has helped us a lot. I need to rewatch everything. I think you have the course for like 4 months, I believe. But it really helped us with schedule and with getting him to sleep a lot easier. So do I recommend it? Yes, absolutely, 100%. All right, I'm running out of time. So I bought this at Target. I think it was $18. I just got it a few days ago. I will link it. For feeding him, I have a breastfeeding pillow. It's down there, but the cover's in the washing machine right now. And I thought this would be something nice to have. So I have my laptop out, that's charged, a water. I get so thirsty while feeding. Not 1 burp cloth, but 2. Happy spitter. And then I really need to learn how to use this wild bird sling. It is so pretty. The ring is rose gold. I think they have like 3 ring options if you don't like the rose gold, and a bunch of options for the sling colors. But I need to look up how to use that so I can baby wear, because I haven't been doing that much. And then I set out his tummy time, and there is a pillow that goes with this. So it, I don't know how to describe it, but like it keeps his top half higher up, but I can't find it. And I know a lot of people, they do it completely flat. So I'm going to do him flat for tummy time and see how that goes. I have his panda cards. It's not all pandas, but he really likes these cards. So after he eats, if he is in a okay mood, if his tummy isn't hiccupy and super spit uppy, he can do tummy time. Okay, you ready? Gotta switch sides. Let's lay this down because you're probably gonna spit up everywhere, okay? You wanna do this? Okay, come on. I'm up. Come here, beautiful. And no, you don't like this. I don't like it either. You want to pick your head up a little? Can you pick your head up? Oh, wow, look how strong he is. Good job. You did great.
This is one moon. Got it? Can you look at it over here? Hey. Okay, we'll look at it over here. That's a moon. And then high kick with your feet. And high kick with your kicky feet. Show me some kicks. Show me some kicks. No?
Would our bedroom have looked like this a few months ago?
No. We've given up.
We've given up. This is what it looks like right now.
Are you kicking? There you go. Show me some kicks. Oh, God, he's up to himself.
Are you stressing out your dad? It's several hours later. I feel like I'm forcing my eyes to stay open right now. And Forrest and Chad are sleeping. I really think the second Limpa started because Forrest was like so fussy and not himself the last few hours. All he did was feed, sleep a little bit, and he was just fussy for no reason. So I'm a little nervous for tonight. I hope that he sleeps well. The last 2 nights I think he slept 4.5 hours and then 2.5 hours, which is really good because he was not doing a very long stretch of sleep until like maybe a week ago at the most. Every day is the same day. It never stops when you wake up all night. So I hope I really get I really hope I get a 4.5 hour stretch. I want to say 5, but I'm like, that's not gonna happen. So yeah, I don't even know what else to tell you guys. I'm just nervous for this next sleep because like I told you, we both had a rough time with the first sleep. I didn't wash my makeup brushes and I didn't do anything downstairs, but there's always tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Write a comment below, subscribe and like, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. I'm so tired. That was like, I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.